Till this day, a lot of people still don't know how to install their wigs. This is the easiest wig install video you'd come across, trust me. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys how I install this body wave glueless wig. This is pre-cut lace closure human hair. And guys, not to talk much, let's just get started. Let's get right into the video. So guys, Wiggins hair sponsored this video. They sent me their 24 inches ready to go body wave wig. Also, this package comes with 2 free HD wig caps, a pair of lashes, a band and a brush, also some hair tapes to hold the hair down. This is the hair straight out of the pack. This is 250 density. Guys, believe me when I say this is super bouncy and very soft. Also, the hairlines are pre-plucked, the lace is pre-plucked, and the knots are pre-bleached, so I don't need to do nothing. This is how it came. No need to pluck the hairlines. It is literally so perfect. Also, it has pins on the side just to hold your hair in case, and also an adjustable band in case it doesn't fit. So I wear a medium, and this is a medium size cap for me. Also, this is a 7x4 closure lace. So guys, I'm using the brush that came in the package to just brush my edges and keep it in place before I wear my wig cap, and I'm doing that by using my edge control. And then I go in to wear my wig cap. This also came in the package. This is a HD wig cap. Make sure you wear your wig cap before you wear your wig, just to keep your hair in place, and you want your wig to be as sleek as possible, so this is very important. Next, I'm just going to tint the middle of my hair with my foundation. I mean the middle of the wig cap with my foundation, just to make sure that blends in. So I'm just gonna show you guys what the wig looks like before I do anything to the lace. So guys, this is how it looks like on me. This is literally perfect, even without melting the lace to my skin. Guys, look at this. You can literally rock this like this, you know. So yeah, the hairline and the lace is pre-plucked, so I don't need to pluck anything. They already done that for me. And like I said earlier, this hair is a 24 inches ready to go body wave. Also, the lace is a 7x4 closure lace. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but yes, it's a 7x4 closure lace, and I'm gonna melt that to my skin, and I'll do that now so you can see. I mentioned earlier that the lace is pre-bleached. Yes, it's actually pre-bleached, but to match my skin tone, I'm just gonna rub my perfect powder shade on the lace just to get perfection. You know, whenever your lace don't match, this is a hack. This is a hack all the wig influencers be doing. If you don't have a lace tint, you can just incorporate your perfect shade of powder for a lace tint. So yes guys, I'm done tinting my lace with my perfect powder shade. Before I melt the lace, remember this is a glueless wig that comes with a tape that can hold down your lace. But today I'll simply just be applying a melting glue to hold down my lace. So now I'm just gonna use a hot comb to just move my hair backward before I apply my melting glue. I don't want any hair obstructing my hairline when I apply my melting glue, so I'm just moving every hair backward, making sure to move everything, and then I hold with a pin just as shown. So I'm just repeating the same thing for the other side as well. So now guys, I'm done holding my hair backward. I'm just gonna melt my lace with my got to be glue. I use this to melt my lace whenever, so I'm just going to apply that wherever there is lace. I'm applying it onto the lace. And trust me, you don't need a lot of this. You need just a small amount. You don't need too much of the glue. Just a small amount should do. After which, I just go in with the tail of the comb that came in the package, and I'm just using that to like press the lace onto my skin. I just want my lace to lay flat and be perfect, but you can simply decide to put your tape at the edge of your lace to just lay your lace flat, just like the tape that came with this wig, for instance, can be used to lay your lace flat. But I just decided to do this. So after the melting glue, I go ahead to use this Wiggins hairband to just hold the lace down even better. So guys, I let that sit for 10 minutes and then I take off the band. Wow, look at that. But don't worry, I'm gonna fix that. So I'm just combing out the hairlines after the glue has dried on the lace. I'm combing out the hairlines, bringing it back to normal. After which I just clean up the area that has shine. I clean that up with my wipes. Now guys, look at this. Compared to before, this is even better, and this kind of looks more natural than before. So guys, now I'm just going to go in with my hot comb and just comb out that area. You know, I want that area very flat, so I'm just combing out my hairlines, you know, and then I go in with my hair wax to flatten that area even better. I'm just applying that on the center of my hair. Don't worry, I know you see that white stuff there, but the hot comb is going to fix it. So right now I'm using the hot comb to just melt the hair wax. You can see the difference after applying the hair wax on my hair. Makes my hair even more easier to style and even flatter and shinier. So now I'm just going to style the center of my hair. Go through your hair with your hot comb. Don't be scared of your hot comb, so you can style your hair well. So yeah, I'm just styling that part, the center part, you know, just style it whatever style you want to style it, but just make sure the center is as flat as possible. Guys, one thing I love about closure wigs, it doesn't take as much time to style as frontal wigs. So I'm just going to comb out the curls now. This wig came in already curled, so I don't need to curl anything. I just comb out the curls and then style to the desired style that I want. Next, I'm going in to tint the center pattern with my foundation. Guys, this is a hack, so take note of this. Just to make it look more natural, you can always apply your foundation on your center pattern just to make it natural, you know. Now I'm going in with this volume finishing spray to add some texture and definition to my wig, you know, to make it appear finer. And guys, guess what? I am done with this. Look at this. Just take a look at this hair and tell me why you wouldn't want it. Tell me. So guys, to shop this hair, I'll just drop the link in the description of this video. Thank you Wiggins Hair for sponsoring this video. And yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment if you love this hair, subscribe to my channel, and yes, for more beauty tips and hack. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.